Alright, this is my second recording of the Radio Shack. I'm actually going to record it this time. My wife recorded it the second time. Or the first time, I'm sorry. I changed it around a little bit. This is the change around. Get all you guys focused on what's going on here. Obviously, I'm a Harley Davidson fan. Okay, this just brings us all the way around. We're kind of panoraming. That's my window I'm looking out in the Radio Shack. Just spinning around, and now we'll kind of get close up. That thing right there, that metal post, that was in my femur bone and my kneecap when I wrecked my motorcycle. And there's the fantasy bike from Big Bear Chopper. There's the heavyweight championship belt, my fantasy deal. Okay, there is my Cobra 2000. And on top of that is the Cobra 135. Underneath we have the Tram Titan 2. There's the D104 for it. And underneath that we have the Tram D201, mint condition. And underneath that, we just have some, it's an old Robin Mobile that works, and an RCI Copilot base. All these radios work. Scanning up, we have an old Cobra 29 Mobile and an old Chris with the triple meters. See if I can zoom in on that. You don't see those mobiles much. That's a really nice mobile. And we'll pan out. There's an old Midland and Royce. That was one of my first radios I've ever had when I was 12 years old. Real nice radio. Only 23 channel, but works well. I took the Brownings out of the case, and there's the receiver, there's the transmitter. That D104 goes down to the DAC Mark 10. That's one of my prized pieces. That DAC 10, that's a beautiful radio. That looks like it just came out of the box and sounds like it just came out of the box. Now we scan back up. There's the freak counter and the POW VFO and the banana mic for the Browning. And then we just scroll down or up. It's just kind of the shack. You can see I changed things around a little bit. That's my computer now. That's where the Galaxy Saturn Turbo used to be. Kind of get an onset of how this side of the room goes. And then we come around here, and there's the big boy. There's the KLV 1000. That's what helps me maneuver in DX land. And there's my DOSI test center. Of course, it's lit up. Silver Eagle microphone going to the Galaxy Saturn Turbo. Hopefully you can see 269150. That's what I'm reading the mail on right now. It's 12:54. I got my shack at 72 degrees. Underneath that I have lit up as my President Madison. There's the speaker. And then I have another DOSI test center underneath that. And to the right of the radio, I have my little Palomar 200 watt. That's just a mobile linear. And we'll scan down. there's the power supply that runs that mobile in here. The KLV obviously plugs into the wall. That's my protection piece. That's a little 20-shot 22 with a scope on it. But obviously, again, I must be into Harley motorcycles, because there's the backdrop. This is the main area now. I changed it around, and this is the main area where I'm doing all my talking, all my DXing. So, kind of catch a shot of that. Hopefully that looks pretty cool. Alright, we're going to upload this to, the YouTube, and see how that looks. Okay, this is Jamie's Radio Shack, video upload number 2.